Welcome to Fluenzo English. Many English learners can say hello very easily. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. But then, something strange happens. After 10 seconds, the mind becomes empty.
You are standing in front of a real person. They are waiting, you are waiting, and you suddenly don't know what to say next. So today, just relax and listen. Imagine you are there with them.
Excuse me, is this the line for the bus to Riverside?
Yes, it is. I asked a minute ago. I think it should arrive soon.
Oh, good. I was worried I was standing in the wrong place.
No, you're fine. Everyone here is waiting for the same bus.
That's a relief. I always feel awkward asking strangers.
Honestly, me too sometimes.
Hi, by the way, I'm Peter.
Nice to meet you, Peter. I'm Gwen.
Nice to meet you. So, have you been waiting long?
Not too long, maybe 5 minutes. I just got here.
Oh, okay. I just arrived as well. I thought I missed it.
No, you're safe. The bus is usually late anyway.
That actually makes me feel better.
Do you take this bus often?
No, actually, today is my first time. I just moved to this area.
Oh, really? Welcome then.
Thanks. I still get lost a lot.
That's normal. This neighborhood is confusing at first.
Yeah, the streets all look similar to me.
I remember when I moved here, I used my map every day.
I'm doing exactly the same thing right now.
Where did you move from?
From a smaller town about 2 hours away.
That must feel very different.
It does. Everything here is busier and faster.
Yes, the city moves quickly.
Are you from here?
Not originally. I moved here 3 years ago.
Oh, so you understand the new person feeling.
Very well. I didn't know anyone when I first came.
That's actually my situation right now.
You'll get used to it sooner than you think.
I hope so. So, do you usually go to work around this time?
Yes, I work at a bookstore downtown.
A bookstore? That sounds nice.
It is. Quiet most of the day.
I think I would like that kind of job.
What about you? Are you working here now?
I just started a new office job this week.
Your first week?
Yeah, and honestly, I'm still nervous every morning.
That's completely normal.
I keep thinking I will go to the wrong building.
I did that once on my first day at my old job.
Really?
Yes, I sat in the wrong office for 10 minutes.
That actually makes me feel much better.
New beginnings are always a bit messy.
True. By the way, do you know how long the bus ride is?
Around 15 minutes.
Perfect. I was worried it was an hour.
No, not that bad.
Good, because I'm still learning the routes.
You'll memorize them quickly.
I hope so.
Do you take this bus every weekday?
Yes, Monday to Friday.
Same here.
At least I won't be alone on this bus in the mornings.
Exactly. You'll start recognizing people after a while.
That actually sounds comforting.
It does. Familiar faces help.
I guess conversations like this help too.
They do.
Honestly, I was a little quiet before I spoke to you.
I noticed you looked unsure.
Yeah, I kept thinking, should I say something or not?
I think most people feel that.
I'm glad I asked about the bus.
Simple questions are usually the easiest start.
Yes, after that, talking feels more natural.
Exactly.
Oh, I think that's our bus.
Yes, that's the one.
Good thing we kept talking or I wouldn't have noticed.
Same here.
Well, it was really nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Peter.
Maybe I'll see you again tomorrow morning.
Probably. I take this bus every day.
Great. Have a good day at the bookstore.
And good luck at your new job.
Thanks. Sometimes conversations don't continue because of perfect English. They continue because of simple, small questions. Just one sentence can open the next one. Keep listening with us here on Fluenzo English. We'll meet again in the next conversation.